What's going on, guys? Welcome back here. We are live. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get a bunch of people rocking and rolling. It is Liberation Day. Liberation Day. Trump tariffs. Are they going to shake up the crypto market? What's going to happen? Well, crypto is pumping right now. Bitcoin, at least, is pumping. Altcoin's struggling a little bit. Some are starting to turn the corner, but Bitcoin specifically here looks like we could be going up. Okay, it looks like we could be going up and breaking out here a little bit on the charts. We'll take a look at all of that. We'll break down what's going on with Trump tariffs. Lot to get into. We should be on our, space right now, but X didn't want to make it happen. So we're live here with you guys on YouTube. Smash the like button, guys. Let us know that you guys are here. Let's get some more people in here and fire this thing up. Let's see who we got in here. We got Dreezy. What's up, bro? What's up, everybody? So here's what we're watching today, man. I'm watching a lot of different things, but obviously Bitcoin, but I'm very curious to see what happens with XRP today too. XRP's been struggling. There's no doubt about it. We've come down close to $2. We didn't get underneath $2 though in the last week. We bounced off in here at 202, got really close, but we held the line there, which was good to see. And Ali with the super chat. What's up, man? What's up, Daniel? How we doing, man? But very curious to see what happens with altcoins and some of the large caps today with Trump Liberation Day and everything happening. But here at 211, that's not a bad spot, man. Not a bad spot at 211. I don't hate that on XRP here at this level. Really don't hate that. But I've got my automated buys coming in anytime we get down to 2 or below. 2 flat or below, that's where I become a buyer right now on XRP. And I'm taking long positions on leverage, and I'm buying spot. So you guys know I got BITUNIX and BTCC links down below if you guys want to come trade with me. What are people saying here? Oh, this came across the timeline this morning. Sony partners with Crypto.com to enable direct payments in Singapore. So another big Crypto.com news piece. Love to see that. Let me put some tunes on in the background for us here. Let's see here. That might be a little loud here. There we go. Let me know if you guys can hear those tunes. If not, I'll tweak some things. Morning, everybody. What's going on? What's going on? Hope we will be surprised and the market will pump. Well, Bitcoin's definitely pumping right now. Bitcoin's definitely pumping. We're up to 85.5, and things are looking very interesting. I mean, Bitcoin looks bullish right now. I'm going to tell you guys. BTC looks bullish right now. And I was listening to some spaces last night. A lot of people eyeing like 95K. You know, we were here in early March where we had that big pop up to like 94, 95. I mean, we actually look pretty bullish here. I mean, what a reversal here on the charts. We wicked down to 81. But look at the bounce back here on the daily. Things are definitely looking pretty good here for BTCC. Now, expect a lot of volatility. It says here, Bitcoin's price analysis shows a possible rise targeting 88K. A rebound from the lower Bollinger Band has happened, but caution is advised as it stays below the middle band. We're still kind of hanging in the balance, but we're more bullish than I thought we'd be right now coming into Liberation Day and Trump, honestly. Morning, Nick. How you doing, bro? Crypto, the new financial system coming soon. You got it, Dre. Hey. Are we dumping today? So far, we're looking pretty good, man. So far, we're looking pretty good. Is it true market cap does not matter for XRP? Well, I mean, it does in some context. I don't know. Like, what do you mean, Ali? In terms of what? Bijan says diamond hands. Happy Liberation Day, Jimmy. Dead cat bounce. Could be. The verdict's still out. I mean, the verdict's definitely still out here. I'm not like to a point where I think we're going to the moon here or anything, but I'm pleasantly surprised. And there's a chance right now with this reversal that we could get bullish here. I mean, I'll tell you one thing, seeing Bitcoin at 85.4 right now, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that. Now, when we look at XRP, let's get into some of the technicals on XRP here. See, our moving averages still are just, we're getting buried. The only thing we're above right now comfortably is our 200-day. If we lose our 200-day moving average, this could get really ugly. We're going back down to probably 150. But our EMA is at 194.5. This is why I become a buyer, though, because I think we're going to bounce off that 200-day EMA if we wick down. We're sitting at 211 right now. I want to buy right around this 200-day moving average if I can on XRP. Guys, make sure you hammer the like button. Let people know we're here. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. What's going on, guys? Can somebody let me know if they can hear the music in the background? Is it playing for you? Or do I have to change some settings here? I might have to do that. It's playing. Nice. Very nice. So I was looking into the RWA sector a little bit, guys. Found this article. So from Ondo's BlackRock ties to Plume's L1, why these 4 RWA tokens stand out. So they're talking about Clearpool, which I've seen before. Let me take you over to the RWA sector here. Clearpool's way down here. Right here. $97 million market cap. It does look pretty good. Clearpool does look pretty good here on the reversal. The alt chart, man, looks wrecked. Still 95% down from its all-time high 3 years ago. Could be kind of reversing here a little bit though. On the 7-day, looks pretty good on the 7-day. If we break this resistance here, we could probably pop up a little bit here. They mentioned Clearpool. They mentioned Ondo. You guys know I'm extremely bullish on Ondo. But Plume, I recently bought Plume, guys. Not financial advice, obviously, but I'm invested in Plume now. They're building an L1 blockchain dedicated solely to RWA tokenization. They've got some pretty good partnerships. The thing that got me when I started looking into Plume is it's a customized L1 chain, including regulatory compliance frameworks, scalability for high volume, and interoperability with other chains. That's the big one, interoperability. There's a lot of chatter about Plume now. If you go like within the Ondo community, a lot of the Ondo people are talking about Plume. Binance announced voting for second batch of potential cryptos for listing. Guess what's on the list? Ondo and Plume. So that would be nice to get an Ondo on Binance listing. Listing on Binance would be huge for us. Liberation Day already priced in major investors and traders. I agree. I think there's definitely some of that. Bitcoin's pumping, man. We just touched 86. Bitcoin looks good. It looks good right now. I hope we don't get like a big dump on the news. I mean, it's all going to depend on what Trump says today. But Bitcoin looks pretty good. I mean, we're still down 8% in the last month. There is always music playing. What's up, Joel? Some people just don't understand tariffs. Well, I mean, a lot of people are shaking in their boots, but what else can we do in the United States? I mean, we got to do something, right? We can't just get bent over backwards like this. So, I mean, short term, yeah, it's going to produce a lot of volatility, but I think it's a necessary thing, man. And it should be good for bringing liquidity back in the markets from U.S. investors over time, right? It should be a good thing over time. Appreciate you guys rocking with me, by the way. Let's get it. Let me tell my people that usually are on the space to come join me on the stream. I faintly can hear it. Okay. Yeah, I don't want it too loud. How does the sum of total of money XRP assist the coin's market cap? Are you talking about total supply? What are you talking about, Jeff? Because we only have 58.2 billion circulating. That's about 58%, but a lot of XRPs held in escrow. Price must reflect its utility in facilitating efficient cross-border transactions rather than adhering to traditional markets. I agree. Yeah, he's not announcing the tariffs until 3 p.m. The market closes at 4. How many hours till Trump starts? Yeah, 3 o'clock. I think it's 3 o'clock. Let's see. Trump tariff announcement. Where did you guys see 3 o'clock? So this says President Trump will make the tariff announcement today at 4 p.m. Eastern from the White House garden. The announcement's being labeled Making America Wealthy Again. Hopefully the markets don't tank too badly. Yeah, it looks like 4 o'clock. Crow is holding nice. Yeah, Crow is looking pretty nice. Let's take a look at the top altcoins. EOS is moving crazy. Ondo bouncing a little bit. Like to see that. How about Ondo, man? Dipped down to 75 cents. That was a good get. Anybody pick up Ondo under 80 cents? Let me know in chat. Let me hear from you guys in chat. Like, what are you looking to see today with tariffs? Like, what's your like temperature? How are you looking at the markets right now? I want to hear from you guys in chat. Let me know how you guys are feeling. What you guys are looking at. Are you guys buying today? Are you selling? Are you trading? What are you guys looking to do? I'm curious to hear your guys' takes. Thoughts on Cardano and if we're going to crash more. Cardano's a long-term play for me. In terms of are we going to crash more, I mean, who knows? You know, there could be some short-term volatility. I think we're close to bottoming out on altcoins. I don't think we can go too much lower here unless Bitcoin, you know, loses its 77K support. Yeah, 4 p.m. in the Rose Garden. That's what I'm seeing too. There's a rumor out there that Ripple transferred part of their escrow into the Street Strategic Reserve. Have you heard that rumor? No, I've not, Joel. Have to look into that. Will you be live for the Trump announcements? Juan, we'll see. We'll see. I'm hearing 3 Central. Okay. Trade wars don't have winners. I'm afraid we are heading toward a recession. XRP should benefit from bank adoptions as banks try to save money. But haven't we been in a recession, John, for a while? I mean, we definitely were in one at one point during COVID and then again during, you know, the Biden administration. I mean, I feel like we could enter another, you know, short-term recession. I mean, there's definitely some stocks I think that are overvalued, but I just don't know how to say we're guaranteed going to be in a recession. So what I'm trying to do is I've got like 50% in stablecoin right now. You know, my overall stuff that I want to put into altcoins. I am keeping a lot of cash on the sidelines. Bitcoin, I continue to just buy. I continue to just DCA. I'm buying Bitcoin every single day. So I'll continue with that strategy. Looking to buy a dip, but always hoping it goes up. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm definitely sitting on some cash, which I don't think is a bad idea. We do have to let this stuff play out when it comes to tariffs, for sure. You got to have some patience in the market. That just goes without saying. You've got to be able to go through the ups and the downs. Yeah, I know. That's right, Jeff. You think it's going to dump and not as bad as we think? Okay. Algo was up 14% the other day. IMX is down 21.5% on the 7-day. I've been looking at BitTens or Tau. Been accumulating too, slowly. Not going all in, but it's down 31% the last month. I think this is a really good project going undervalued here. It's down 59% this year, in the last year. But it's sitting on some pretty nice support lines right now. You know, it could drop a little lower, 217, 216. But I like this setup here for BitTens or Tau for sure. I do like this setup for Tau. It's listed on Coinbase now too. Let me know if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys are a new subscriber, always like to hear from you. Let me know in the chat. Let me know where you guys are coming in from too. I always like to hear where you guys are coming from. Morning, Juan. How you doing, man? Do you think HBAR is going to do well long term? Yeah. I like HBAR long term. It fits the ISO narrative, fits the RWA narrative, US based. Those are kind of my boxes I'm checking right now for altcoins. Wouldn't it be nice if we went up? Honestly, bro, I'm pleasantly surprised right now with Bitcoin at 85.7. I like where we are right now. I mean, it looks like Bitcoin could go up higher here right now. We'll see if it continues all the way up until this afternoon. What do you think about Peter Brand's ex-post about XRP being like owning a Beanie Baby or Pet Rock? I think he's just out of touch. You know, he's a great trader, but he doesn't know crypto all that well. He's pretty good with Bitcoin. Way to go, Orange Popsicle, man. Orange popsicle. Good morning, Zach and fellow investors. What's up, Medman? How you doing, bro? Joel's coming in from Indiana, fairly new subscriber. Really appreciate all your hard work, great content. Thanks, man. Appreciate you tuning in, dude. XDC is underrated and a sleeping giant. There's a lot of interesting plays in the RWA sector. Like I own Chainlink, Avalanche, Hedera. I don't own any Mantra right now. I do own Ondo, VeChain, Algorand. I don't own Maker. I've had some XDC, but I traded it. And then, guys, I opened up a pretty nice position in Plume. I bought it at 17 cents. Plume's looking like it wants to run a little bit. I bought it right here on this little bounce. A couple of days ago. Right in here. Or no, right in here. I bought it like right in here like 3 days ago on this bounce. I'll take it. I opened up a position around 16.5, 16.6. All-time high is 26% away, about almost 25 cents. 14 days ago we set it. Plume is an interesting project for sure. Just outside the top 200 right now, but still waiting on big exchange listings. They got Bybit, BitGet, but they don't have, Coinbase or Binance or any of the big dogs yet. But I like Plume. I've been looking at Plume. David from Melbourne, Australia. What's up, brother? Richard, Minnesota. Snowstorm right now. Crazy, bro. What's up, Vernon? I think so, David. I mean, we could see a short squeeze. I mean, everything's on the table right now. Like literally with Bitcoin, this thing can go one of two ways, man. Like we could get bad news today and we can come back down and retest 77, or I could see us like literally going from here. Like it won't immediately pop up, but like going from here to 95,000 is not out of the realm of possibility. Like going up and testing this, these levels right in here. Like we're definitely in like a channel right now from like 95 to 77. And right now we're right in the middle of all of it. And so much of it I think is going to depend on what comes out of the tariff conversation. Big on Ondo, Jeffrey. Greetings from Finland. What's up, Jay? I think Trump's going to drop most tariffs except China, being other countries willing to drop theirs. Good buying opportunity right now or no? I was buying a lot of Cardano at 25 cents in the bear, so I'm staying pat right now, but I don't hate it under 70 cents. Yeah, listen to Medman right now. We only have 72 likes. I haven't even looked, but that's not good. We need at least 100, right? At least 100 likes. Go ahead and smash the like button, guys. Appreciate all the new people, too, tuning in. We got some newbies coming in. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're here every single day, rocking with you guys, putting out a ton of content. Just learning together, man. Growing together, grinding together. That's what it's all about. Looks like 4 p.m. Eastern. Tariffs, 4 p.m. Eastern. I'm still looking at Massimo. Now, nobody knows for sure, right? Anybody telling you they know for sure is crazy. I'm still eyeing quarter number 4, 2025. That would mirror what we saw in 2021. What's up, Wisdom? Crazy crypto info. There's definitely a lot of manipulation happening right now in the markets, no doubt. What are people saying on X here? Tesla dumping. So did you guys see this? Circle's IPO is happening. Circle is the company behind USDC. How does Circle make money? You're probably wondering how a company makes money from a stablecoin. After all, isn't a stablecoin always a dollar? Yes, but whenever you buy one USDC from Circle, they invest your fiat into treasuries, which pay them interest. Circle then keeps the interest. Turns out it's a pretty lucrative strategy. In 2024, Circle generated $1.68 billion in revenue from interest alone. Why is it important? It would make Circle's business model highly sensitive to interest rates. In their S1, Circle estimates that a mere 1% decrease in rates could result in $441 million decrease in its income. Since 99% of Circle's revenues come from reserve interest income, just a small decrease in rates will have an outsized effect on Circle's financial performance. If you're considering investing in Circle, you'll want to pay close attention to rates. Circle's metrics are weaker than industry comps, but how much weaker? Let's look at one of the other publicly traded crypto companies, Coinbase. Coinbase generated $6.3 billion in total revenue, $2.6 billion in net income. It's a 41% net profit margin. By comparison, Circle generated $1.7 billion in revenue, $155 in net income, 9% net profit margin over the same period. That's nearly 5x less. And if the Fed lowers rates later this year, Circle's metrics will only weaken further. Turns out half of Circle's reserve income goes to Coinbase. Interesting. Circle has strong competition with Ripple's RLUSD. Shares start trading in a few weeks under the ticker CRCL. Are you bullish or bearish? Drop your thoughts. I'm not going to be looking to get into that IPO. I wish I would have gotten into Newsmax, though. Holy shit. Did you guys see that? What's it trading at today, I wonder? Wonder what it's trading at right now. It's finally down a little bit. This thing launched at like $10 per share, though. It's up 641% in the last 3 days. Crazy. XRP just hanging in the balance right now. 211. We did get a possible retracement up signal, though. Be nice to see XRP pop back up to like 250, 260. We were just there almost. Yeah, we were there. We were there in like March 19th. Fayetteville, what's up, John? Uh, 4 p.m. Eastern on Trump. I think Pepe can hit 70 billion market cap. You know what? Pepe's been looking pretty good too. I was looking at this last night. Pepe's been bouncing. A little bit of a down day today, but I mean, we wicked down in March into the, 5.2, 5.3 range. I do think if memes make another run, Pepe is a really good bet. Here's the weekly. Pepe looks pretty good on the weekly. Just need Ethereum, man. I'm holding a little bit of Trump coin. I did pretty decent on a trade. I'm holding like a moon bag right now. I think, if we get back into a meme coin season, I like Pepe. I like Trump. Those two are like two of the large caps I really like, actually. And SHIB should bounce too if Ethereum pumps. I had to prioritize other things, Steven. I'd rather accumulate some other things, and you can't own everything. So I made a little trade on it for now. I could open up a bigger position later. I don't hate it. XDC, but you just, you know, you can't own everything for the long term. You got to trade some stuff. Appreciate you, Road Dog. Surrealist Gaming has just been decimated, bro, but I think you got two pretty good ones there with Illuvium and Gala when we come back. I have not heard of that one, Anthony, but welcome. Yeah, Victor, I think, you know, we're seeing less volatility. We're going to see less volatility with Bitcoin and some of the top plays over time with the institutions. I don't know if we're still in these 4-year cycles. It's going to be interesting to watch how it plays out and you know, what happens from now until Q1 of next year. That'll really give us a lot more insight into that. I know a little bit about Compound, champ. I've traded it here and there. What's up, Jeff? Tracy from Massachusetts. What about Floki? Same thing. It needs Ethereum. Loaded Lions on Kronos. Will XRP drop below 2 today? I'll tell you what, if it does, I'm a buyer, man. We'll see. Donald J. Trump, it's Liberation Day in America. It's time for crypto to pump. China restricting new investments in the U.S. amid trade tensions. Bitcoin's still looking strong. Will Shiba Inu continue burn rate help increase? Yeah, I mean, over time, you know, we need to increase burns, but we really need Ethereum right now. Madison, Alabama. I own a little bit of Render, Juan. Yeah, Marnus, for sure, bro. Yep. Yep, I'm right there with you, Jason. They love doing stuff at the end of the day, champ. I own a little bit of Aerodrome, biggest DEX on base. I love to hear that, Tracy. We were talking about XRP at 50 cents, man. I wonder if we can just make this into a post. I don't know if you guys saw this video I made the other day, but BlackRock CEO Larry Fink basically telling their investors that a big shift is happening. I thought that was interesting. Talking about, you you know, basically tokenizing everything. That to me is going to be the next big wave, man. The RWA narrative. That's going to be the next big wave. Yo, let me know if you're a new subscriber to the channel. Welcome too, by the way. We're firing up here on a, what is it, Wednesday morning? So are you are holding to a traditional 4-year cycle instead of summer cycle? Summers are usually bad. The best times to make money usually in crypto are Q1 and Q4. But I just hold to my levels, man. I create levels where I like to take profits on certain assets. And when it hits those levels, I take profits, you know? So I took a little profits when HBAR pumped, when XRP pumped. The only thing I don't really take profits on throughout the way is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the only thing that's really a long-term play for me, or I'm just accumulating right now. Should be the king. What does your indicator say this morning on BTC, Zach? Let's take a look. The hourly looks bullish, man. So we got the momentum up on Bitcoin. These possible retracement ups and downs are not really lead indicators. But the last momentum up we got was right here at 83.4. And we're up 2.6% since that happened. So Bitcoin looks pretty good here, especially on the hourly. I mean, we've been climbing for the last couple of days, just slow grind. We'll see if we can sustain it. But yeah, I mean, just right here, like it would have told you to buy Bitcoin at 83.4 on our indicator. If you guys are wondering what Murphy's talking about, XT Algo is my trading indicator. There's a link down below. This is an awesome tool. If you're serious about investing, you really want to level things up. You know, the reason why I made this is a lot of these indicators are hard to read. I went and found the best person to create an indicator that works, that's easy to use. I walk you through how to use it. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get the monthly right now for $37 instead of $47. $37 a month. And the first month is basically free because we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Full refund at the end of 30 days if you don't like the product. But I'm confident you guys are going to love it. You can get the 3-month package right now for $90. So there is a link down below. Check it out if you guys are interested in that. What's up, EMAC? What's up, bro? I mean, it depends, David, like what your strategy is. But for me, man, I'm dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin all the time. Everyone like and subscribe. Yes, definitely do that, man. Appreciate your wisdom. Shib, Doge, ZBCN, Jasmine, XRP will rock you. Nice. I'm still looking at, you know, after August 1st, Joseph, for me right now. That's kind of where I'm looking for the market to make some moves later this year, some real moves. Could we see, you know, some type of pump before then? Anything's possible, man. But again, I'm just kind of holding on to my assets with certain levels in mind. You know, except for Bitcoin where I'm just buying it for the long term, man. I'm just looking at Bitcoin as like a 401k. But XRP, I've been accumulating under $2. I'll take some more profits when we get to that $4 range for me. I took some profits on our road to over $3 when we went from 50 cents. You know, when we took this ride from 50 50 cents all the way up to 324. I was taking profits at 250 and at $3. And then started reaccumulating under $2 anytime we wick down below 2. But XRP's got a nice floor now at $2. To me, I mean, this isn't a terrible spot, honestly, to DCA, in my opinion. I'd be shocked if we broke that $2 support. If we did, we're in trouble. We're probably coming back down to 150. You know, same thing with Solana. I took about 50% of my Solana off the table, was accumulating it on the way up, you know, under $100 all the way up to like 150. And then we topped out at 250. A lot of that was coming in from Solana meme coins, stuff like that. And I took a lot of that off the table a couple months ago. Same thing with SWI. SWI, we ran up. We were under $1 on SWI. Ran it up to over $5. We took some profits there slowly. But, I mean, I still have a SWI bag that's pretty nice. Not really looking to accumulate SWI right now, but if we get down, you know, into that $2 range, then it gets interesting for me. I feel you flexing. What's up, Kevin? SHIB just needs Ethereum, bro. We need Ethereum to pump. BTC too expensive. Hey fam, do you think about all these pie coins? Yeah, I'm off the pie for now, right now, man. Yeah, one, I didn't time it perfectly, but it was getting overheated with all the meme coin stuff, man. But I did pretty good on Solana memes. Can't complain at all. Quick reminder, guys, if you want to come trade with me, I've got my links down below in the description. BTCC and BITUNIX. Two top-tier exchanges. You can long the market, short the market. Great sign-on bonuses with both of them. So definitely check those out if you want to come trade with me. BITUNIX right now running a great special. If you sign up, make one trade with me over on BITUNIX, you have a chance to win $2,000 and up to $8,000 on your welcome bonus. I think they will, Daniel. I think they will. It'll just, it needs another season, man. I mean, right now is not the meme coin season. Meme coins are getting crushed. Dogecoin looks bad right now. But it's just not the season right now. I'm really liking Brett, man. Once we get Ethereum back and going, though, I think Brett could recover nicely. So far down right now, but just got to be patient. Yeah, they all won't recover, but the good ones I think will. This meme coin on Cardano is pretty hilarious. Still sitting at around 3 million market cap. Cock on Cardano. Pretty hilarious. I like Snack quite a bit on Cardano. That's my top one. But this is a hilarious one. It's still just hanging in the balance. But Snack still looks pretty damn good. It's holding support pretty nicely too. I'd like to see SNEC make another major run. When Cardano really has a pop, I think SNEC could send to the billions. We're sitting at 250 mil right now on SNEC. Man, I'm still holding a ton of it, Nick. I wish I'd have taken some profits, bro, but I've lowered my average cost way down, so I'm ready to take profits this time. Kevin, they gave some good reasoning as to why they added so much of so many tokens back into the supply. You know, their partnership with Trump and Truth Social is going to be interesting, bringing ETFs to the market. I'm still holding my crow. I don't own any fat, bro, but I heard about it. True. It is a top play. Yeah, still is. It's been around forever, too, since 2017. Oh, Bitcoin's running. Bitcoin looks really good on the hourly, man. Look at this crazy dip that we had in the middle of the night. Crazy. Huge sell-off there. From 84 down to 81. Like, who did that? Who was that massive whale who sold? They're just manipulating the market. Appreciate all you guys rocking with us, man. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. How many likes we got on our stream, man? It's free to hit the like button, guys. Helps us out. It's breaking news because Trump is going to be speaking today at 4 o'clock. And we're getting people ready, man, to see what he says about tariffs. It's going to be interesting. Coffee on me, thanks. Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate you, bro. Smashed it. Nice. Shib Doge, the top memes will be used like credit cards. That'd be crazy. How many hours left for Trump to speak? 5 hours. Let's see what they're saying. Latest news here. China on watch after U.S. government embrace of Bitcoin. The Trump administration formation of a U.S. strategic reserve might have China rethinking its hardline stance against crypto, and that could be key for accelerated global adoption of BTCC. This is coming from asset manager Grayscale, said in a recent research report on Monday. It's interesting. I mean, I don't own any of it. Appreciate you, Happy Life. Victor, it kind of depends on what your play is, bro. I mean, you know, I don't think it's a bad spot here for XRP. I have my automated buys set if we come down to $2 or less. This is the weekly chart on XRP, by the way. So if we come down to $2, I automatically buy it, and I open up a long on leverage on Bitify and BTCC, and then I also buy it on the spot anytime we get down below $2 right now. The 200-day moving average is like 194. That's where I like to become a buyer if I'm trying to time it. If you're looking for long-term, you know, DCA strategy, you know, you're not as concerned about that. When do you sell? Do you DCA? Yeah, I DCA mostly all of my top altcoins. 100%. For Bitcoin, I'm not selling anytime soon. I'm just accumulating. I've been doing that since April 2022. I've been buying a little bit of Bitcoin every single day. With altcoins, I have certain targets, and I accumulate in DCA, and when it hits that certain target, I take X amount of profits out, usually like 30, 40%, and then I basically reevaluate my position and create new targets from there. XRP hoping it can go down a little bit more. We have strong support at $2, but yeah, I like Ondo too, man. A lot of people calling for Ondo to come back down to 50 cents. You know, it's been hanging in the balance. It certainly could. You know, a lot of people want to see Ondo come down and retest 50 cents. It's trying to create like more of a wall here at like 75, 80 cents, at least right now. But I've accumulated quite a bit of Ondo, you know, under 50 cents and right around 50. Wrote it up to $2. I haven't taken profits here yet, but I like Ondo long term. Chart still looks really solid. And if we come down to 50 cents, it's not doom or gloom. I'll just become a buyer again, a bigger buyer. That's my take. But I'm really bullish on the RWA space, man. So anything in this sector here, I'm looking at. You know, I own Chainlink. Chainlink's just been decimated too for a while. Chainlink, you know, does not look great. We had a little bit of a pop up to almost $30, you know, late last year, but 74% down from its all-time high still. I like Chainlink a lot, though. Long-term play. Nice, Jeffrey. I do not have Neko. Dump till May 1st. We'll see. Track is good. RWA too. Interesting. HBAR is way down from its recent pump, but guys, we rode this thing up from 5 cents all the way up into the 30-cent range. We did a 6x on HBAR. I took profits here on this pump here, and now I'm waiting to reaccumulate. I'm waiting to see how low HBAR will go. You know, we're still falling. I'm still waiting to, you know, reaccumulate HBAR. I've got a little bit left over from when we were accumulating here, like 5, 6 cents. But I took about 70% off the table when we pumped up to like 25, 30 cents. And now we're just kind of waiting. I got a little bit of a moon bag in case we go parabolic. But if we come back down, you know, to this range right in here, 15, 14 cents, that's what I'm looking on HBAR to reaccumulate. Ondo, you guys know, I'm really just in accumulation phase right now. If we come back down to 50 cents, I really become a big buyer. Crazy here. We were, you know, right before the election, we were under 60 cents. Then we shot up over $2. Algorand's another one. Under 20 cents, I like it right now to accumulate. Before the election, went from 11 cents up to 51. Almost did a 5x. Plume is the one I just opened up a pretty big position in. Plume's pretty new. New kid on the block, but chart looks pretty solid still. I think Plume has some room to run. Bitcoin's pumping. Just crossed over 86. Pump time. If we come down to 179, I'm going to be a buyer. Keep in mind with XRP, we've got strong support at $2. Our 200-day moving average is at 194. If we break 194, we could definitely come down all the way to 179 and maybe even lower to like 150. Well, a lot of them are OTC deals for sure. We need retail. We need liquidity. I like Polygon, but they have a lot of competition now in the L2 space, man. A lot of competition in the L2 space. Crypto, man, crypto's crazy now. It's totally different than 2021. See, look, even if you guys were trading on the 5-minute chart, XT Algo was all over this. My trading indicator, look at this. There's a 1.5% move on Bitcoin. Doesn't sound like a lot, but again, like these are scalp trades. This little move up from this wick to right here, momentum up, called here on the 5-minute, just under 85K. And this is why I'm telling you, XT Algo, if you guys really want to level your game up, check it out. There's a link down below in the description, xtalgo.com. 30-day money back guarantee. Got hundreds of people using this, guys. It will help you. You could use it for crypto, stocks. What's really cool is you could set up your own customized alerts too. Anything crypto, stocks related. And you could be on the go and be making money. Be making moves. So check out xtalgo.com if you haven't already. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. I can show you, look what happened with XRP. Go back into the daily here. I mean, XRP was called at 55 cents, man. We made a pretty penny thanks to our indicator here. Yeah, see right in here. Momentum up. Right at 55 cents. Rode that thing up almost 500% since that call. And then it even shows you where to take your profits. Momentum down right here at 273. Get out of your trade. It would have saved you a little bit of capital. Went all the way down to $2. Now we're just waiting for the next big leg up. We did get a momentum up on the hourly here on XRP. We'll see if this plays out. Getting a nice candle on XRP after the Bitcoin pump. Crazy thing about XRP, we're still up 251% on the year. Man, we got close. We got down here to 206 at like 7 a.m. this morning. Telling you though, man, Bitcoin looks like it wants to continue to pump right now. It's going to be interesting to see how this news impacts the markets here this afternoon. Again, Trump's speaking at 4 o'clock today, guys. Morning, everybody. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Who here is a new subscriber? Let me know in chat. Are you a new subscriber? Let me know in chat. Appreciate all the new subs, new people joining the channel, joining the fam, joining the family, joining the community, the communities of community. Not a ton of crazy news today. Pretty quiet on the news front right now, but things are going to definitely shake up a little bit this afternoon for sure. Nice, Cody. Welcome, bro. You guys do know, I'm everywhere. You can, I want you guys to definitely check me out on Rumble, TikTok. I've got my, YouTube channel here, of course. Get me on X, IG. I'm everywhere. So make sure you find me. Follow me everywhere on all the platforms and stuff. That's dope, bro. Donnie Llama just hit subscribe. Dope, man. Welcome, bro. What's Bitcoin doing here? Ondo's hanging at 84, 85. Bitcoin definitely looks pretty good on the hourly still. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I got to get on, make some other videos for you guys, get some videos out. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us here. Oh, we got a new subscriber here. Dez. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Don't go, bro. Should I stay on with you guys? All right, if you want me to stay on, maybe I will. Should I stay on with you guys for a little bit? $200 likes. There we go. All right, I'll stay on for a little bit, guys. But let's run the likes back up. I'll stay on for a little bit. Let's get 400 people in here. That's the goal. All right, you guys got to do that. Help me out. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's run it back up. I'll stay on for a little bit longer. What the hell? What the hell? Hey, we're running a crazy giveaway, by the way, over on X. Just all you got to do is come over and follow me on Rumble, guys. Literally, that's all you have to do. So follow me on X. Make sure you guys then see this post for Rumble. We're starting up live streams over on Rumble. And a chance to win $100. Pretty nice. Yeah, you know it, bro. All right, we'll stay on for a bit. Our caffeine's all over it. Let's go. What's the chart signaling for XRP? Given the current structure, XRP appears to be coiling up for a larger move. If bulls defend the $210 support level and volume returns, XRP could attempt to break out toward 250. If momentum builds, a retest to $285 to $3 highs from earlier this year. However, if selling pressure increases, the 200-day moving average fails to hold, we could see a drop to 160 to 150. This is literally what we just said. Isn't this song dope? I like Ondo. 250. Yeah, if it goes down below $2, I become a buyer on XRP. All right, guys, I'm going to go join my fans or my people over at the Breakfast Club. I'm going to tweet this right now. Guys, come over and join us. I'm going to hop off. And, hey, I want all 300 people to join us here. I'm going to copy this link. This is my buddy Paid running my show right now, running our show. I'm going to copy this link, and all of you guys, let's go raid this space. I just put it right here. All right. Every single person in this chat, this would be super dope. If we literally, all of us, if you guys aren't on X, this is your time to get on X. All right. All of us, go to this room right now on X. X spaces are back. Paid is running it. I didn't even know. I'm usually on spaces right now. But let's go talk about these tariffs. Let's go talk about crypto over here. All right. Let's go do it. Let's get everybody over there.
What the hell is going on here?
Well, I'm trying to push all of my audience that's watching me on YouTube right now over to this space. So I'm in the process of it right now. I didn't even know you were live, dude. I was trying to spark the room. I'm not looking at, I'm engaging with my audience over here on YouTube. But guys, yeah, X is crazy. But yeah, we were breaking some things down. I'm talking to my YouTube people here. So we still have 280 people with us over on YouTube right now. Guys, come join us. I want to raid this room. Let's get everybody over here. All right. I put the link down there. I'm going to close the stream here in a few minutes, but everybody come over and join us. But what are you guys talking about, Paid? What are you guys getting into?
Bro, you missed, I'm not gonna lie, you did miss a fantastic conversation with Harry opening it up. And then Matasco came in as well, talking about what's going on with Trump, what's going on with the tariffs. You know, Canada just announced they're not going to do tariffs back and back, like tit for tat tariffs with them. Honestly, God, Zach, this is one of the spaces you should definitely listen back to at some point, because Harry was dominating the conversation for a little bit, and I do appreciate him for that, because he was dropping some fucking album for sure.
Yeah, I love it, man. Bitcoin's price looks pretty good. Honestly, I mean, it's short term here, obviously, but it's kind of surprising. I'm reading a couple of people saying, hey, if this kind of momentum continues, people are saying 94, 95K, maybe even. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I don't want to get everybody's panties in a bunch here. I mean, obviously, who knows, right? But I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully, I'm getting everybody over here. Slowly but surely, we're getting some people filing in, so that's good. But love to jump into a deeper conversation. What you guys think we'll see this afternoon? What do you guys think happens? It's what, 4 o'clock he's going to be talking? Strategically, too, at the end of the day, huh?
Yeah, I mean, you know, right after markets are closing, or right around market closing, right? So, very interesting. I mean, Harry, I don't know if you want to hash, you know, a few bullet points that you had so Zach can, you know, listen in real quick to some of the stuff you were talking about earlier, because you were really, you know, hitting that nail on the head. And, you know, thanks for helping the co-host while X was, you know, doing some crazy shit. Zach from Subway is busy right now doing some stuff with his hotel, so he'll be back once, you know, he'll be back full time once all that, you know, gets ironed out. He has to get that opened. But Harry, you want to touch some bullet points that you had from earlier, maybe like 3, 4, maybe 5 quick points for Zach, so we can just hear some of the stuff we were talking about.
Okay. In terms of the markets, or in terms of what Trump, you know, the tariffs and all that stuff, or do you?
The Trump tariff stuff.
Yeah, the Trump tariffs. Okay, yeah. So, the Trump tariffs are you know, I like what he's doing because it's effectively forcing people to the negotiation table, and you know, we've seen what Canada plans to announce, you know, with the U.S. So if they do zero tariffs across the board, now you've created a free economic trade bloc between Canada and the U.S., which is great, right? So that means there's no more tariffs on any products going back and forth. Another point is we've seen what Europe is waiting for. They're waiting for the tariff response, and they're ready to, you know, quote unquote, retaliate with their tariffs as well. We obviously know what China's going to do. We've seen that. What else did I talk about when it comes to how these tariffs actually end up helping the U.S. So when you impose tariffs, yes, the end consumer